Hi everyone, I'm Boris with my channel as usual. And so yesterday I told about my plans for my motorcycle, and I have to decide it. Will I do something with my repainting motorcycle, because I want to get some fresh color of my motorcycle for my motorcycle, but it have some troubles, and it takes some spends of money. And so today was think I was thinking about this, and I think I decided to start to do this because I want to have some emotion, because motorcycles for me it's with emotional, it's feelings, it's something more important than cars for me, for my opinion. It's something more interested, it's something a little dangerous, more dangerous than cars, yes, I understand this. And also it's something with more nature, more real. I think it's more real, and uh, it's some more close to you, because when you are in your car uh, you have less feeling, you have less emotion. When you drive in a car you have less emotion and feelings, because you stay inside in the box in the car. But when you are driving a motorcycle, you really feel this, your world around you, and it's something mm, more real. And it's my point. And for me, motorcycles something more interesting. And I really like this motorcycle, Honda VTX 1800. It's a good, powerful motorcycle. But you know, when your motorcycle looks like a little um, tired, and a little old, and with some scratches on the fuel tank, it's a little upset for me. And why I will drive in this statement, and I don't want to have this emotion. And motorcycles for me it's emotion, and it's more about emotion. And so what? We talking about this idea with my brother today, and he can help me with it, with that, and I will try. And so I think on the next week, or maybe on this weekend, I will start. I have to disassemble a lot of details from my motorcycle, and I have to deinstall my fuel tank, my front and rear fenders, and side caps. It's metal caps, and my fenders also metal, uh, from steel. My fuel tank also, it's an old fuel tank, it's also steel, it's heavy and hard thing. It's a little it will be some long way, because as I told before, it's about a lot of details around all this stuff. But I think we will okay with that. And next moment, it's I have to decide it which color I will choose, because we have three variants. So what? First variant, it's oh no, what's the point? We have uh, technical ID card, identity card. It's about my motorcycle identity card, and in this card I have some information. It's about owner, it's about dates, it's about your number plate, it's about your color and VIN number. And so my color in this identity card, it's black. And so what? How we can play with that? We can choose some interesting color, not uh, only black. We have some sparkles inside this color, and also we can use some chameleon color with change of this color on the sun. And next moment we can choose different color and replace identity card, replacing this identity card, change color in identity card. It's not expensive process, but it takes some time and some my time. I not want this really, but it's a variant. But I think color in this variant, I have to really like this color and want to replace it in my identity card. Third variant, it's some safety. mm, it's about not doing painting. It's about aerography. Uh, Not aerography, it's about mm, aqua layer. Uh, and it will be, I'm not sure how it will be, but it's take less time because we have no requirements to preparing all these details for painting. Uh, but I think it can be a little strange, and it can be a little not so not so cheaper. I not sure. And all these free variants, I have to choose something with it. Uh, and also I have to think about this. If you have some variants, you can write me in the comments, and I think next videos I will make in my garage, and we will talking about this. So is it all news for today, and see you tomorrow as usual. Bye.